Cool, so here we go. Spring cleaning, 2012 Triple Threads box break number 2. 12:33 Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody up in it. Let's get another big hit. What do you guys think? There's everybody up in it. All right. So 2012 Triple Threads. We just hit the card on the back of the box. But you never know, because we hit a Russell Wilson 101 rookie or rookie patch auto out of the box right before that. So I don't know, man. You just never know. Okay. All right, D'Angelo Williams out of 99. Going to Carolina. AJ Green out of 310. AP 989. Cam Newton 989. Matty Ice 989. Then 4 out of 9 Tony Romo. Going to Dallas. That'll be Lebezi 23. There you go, buddy. 4 out of 9 Tony Romo. Then 65 out of 99 Joe Adams going back to Carolina. Keys back in the mix. So jersey auto, Joe Adams going to Keys. All right, next mini box. You got Roy Halou out of 170. And Jared Allen out of 310. Santonio Holmes out of 989. LeGarrette Blount, 989. The Gronk, 989. And Dougie Martin, 66 out of 99, going to Tampa Bay. John Turner. Here you go, buddy. And then you got 24 to 25. It scared me. I saw the Colts. But Mr. Clean 843, little Kobe Fleener, 24 out of 25. Nice little jersey auto. Shorter print, 24 to 25, Kobe Fleener. So Mr. Clean, there you go, buddy. All right, nothing as wild as what we had out of the last box, but nonetheless, still some nice stuff. All right, let me say